So guys, I purchased this vegetable spiralizer from Amazon, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing and a quick how to use. Alright, so it's a 4-in-1 vegetable spiralizer, and initially getting it from Amazon I was very excited and I was very happy to open it. So this is how the packaging looks. And keep spinning. This is what we're having so far. So we're going to try another fruit and, well, vegetable actually. Cucumber. Well, they say vegetables, fruits have seeds, so we consider cucumber a fruit. Alright, so it's the same process. You're gonna spin and apply some pressure. So it's vegetable or zucchini noodles. Or Jamaicans call it cucumber. So we're making cucumber noodles or pasta. So far this is what we have. Beautiful, isn't it? So at the end I'm going to show you the finished dish. So I'm going to get some vegetables like onion and pepper and garlic, and we're going to get that seasoned up with this, what we have here, the carrot and the zucchini, or if you may call it the cucumber, yes. And I'm going to show you the finished dish right at the end, so stay tuned. Alright, so this is it.
This is the finished dish, guys.